everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. So the title of the song is called Already by Beyoncé. Alright, it's mixed hip hop and sexy. Alright, so let's start. Ready? So it goes like this: 6, 7, and slow. 1, 6, 3, 7, and 1, 6, lift, 3, 4, away, 5, you put your weight to your right, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. So that's the timing. 7, 8, and 1, 2, down, 3, and 4, to the front, 5, push, and 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, side, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, go back. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 7. Next. Move back on 1, 2, 3, 4. Open on 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Move back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next. Center 1. So you need to bend your knee a bit. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Releve up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and okay. So 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Releve. 6, 7, 8, and copy. Let's do it from the beginning first. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and next. From here, so 8, 1, 2, 3 to the front on 4. Watch this on 5, 6, 7, and 8. So single count. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, and chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Continue. So we're gonna go down. Don't just down like this and don't move this one. You need to push down a little bit, not so low. 7, and then 1, 2, 3, look. 4, 5, overhead on 6, 7, 8. 1, close on 2. Okay? 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Continue. Away. 3, 4. Sit on 5, 6, turn 7, and 8. Let's go from here. 7, chest. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, look 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, stop, sit, 4, turn around, and 8. Alright, last 2, 8. Yes, 7, and simple, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this one, you can move to your right. Okay, step up to your left. 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Okay? Copy? Let's continue. 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. 5, chest on 6, and 7, and 8. Finish. One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Walk on 7 and 8. From here, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Chest, 7, and 8. Okay. Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. Straight and slow. Ready? Ready? So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Whoop! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 4, 6. Slow. 1, 2, 3. Look 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Sit. Hop. 7. Here we go. 1, 2. Hop. 5. Here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pose. Yeah. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video. Alright? Bye bye. Take care. See you next time.